We drive about 12 minutes in the labyrinth of barbed wire fences and enter through well-guarded doors, passing from one zone to another. Only now do I realize the immense extent of the Konzentrationslager. Few are those who have the possibility of seeing this, for most die at the very place they have been directed to on their arrival. My musings are abruptly interrupted by Dr. Mengele. Without turning around, "It's not a sanatorium I'm taking you to, but your living conditions will not be too bad," he says. The car slows down and hoots. In the barbed wire fence, a reinforced door opens behind the guard. We enter, and in front of us is a spacious courtyard, clean and covered with green grass. Gravel paths and the shade of fir trees would make it almost pleasant if there were not on the far side of the yard a large red brick building and the huge chimney belching out fire. We are in one of the crematoriums. "Is the room ready?" Dr. Mengele asks the SS guard who accompanies us. The latter answers in the affirmative, and we go there at once. He enters. I follow him. We are in a place that has been freshly whitewashed. The men of the Sonderkommando have painted this room and furnished it with objects left behind by previous convoys. From here, we follow a dark corridor to another room. We are in a dissecting room. Very light, with 2 windows and the most modern type of equipment. The floor is of red concrete. In the middle of the room, on a concrete base, stands a polished marble dissecting table, equipped with several drains. By the table is installed a water basin with nickel-plated taps. On the wall, 3 porcelain sinks. The light green walls have been painted with oil-based paint. The large mesh-covered windows are fitted with green metal screens against flies and mosquitoes. We leave the dissecting room and go into the next one. This is the workroom. It contains antique-style furniture and paintings. In the middle of the room, a large table covered with green fabric. All around, comfortable armchairs. I count 3 microscopes on the table. In a corner, a large bookcase full of medical books, including the most recent editions. Another cupboard contains white coats, aprons, towels, and rubber gloves. All in all, it's an exact copy of the Anatomopathology Institute of a big modern city.